DIY honey wraps to cure cough and eliminate mucus from the lungs. Honey is a real superfood, used as a traditional natural remedy for thousands of years. It has been used to treat wounds, burns, ulcers, gastric discomforts, as well as coughs and a sore throat. The guidelines from the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, NICE, and Public Health England, FE, suggest using honey first for a cough and have been developed after looking at the best available scientific evidence. The evidence showed that honey effectively relieves the symptoms of acute coughs due to upper respiratory tract infections, and reduce the frequency of coughs and severity of these symptoms. The guidance applies to adults and children over 5 years of age, as honey is not safe for children under the age of 1. The following natural remedy will help you treat congestion and coughs. DIY honey wrap home remedy. You will need organic pure honey, organic coconut oil, gently melted, coconut flour, gauze, napkin, paper towel, or handkerchief, adhesive medical tape, cheesecloth. Instructions. Make a paste by mixing honey and coconut flour, and make sure it is no longer sticky. Then add the coconut oil, add more flour if needed, and then spread the paste onto the chosen material napkin, gauze, etc. Next, wrap it in cheesecloth, and place it on the chest, secure with the medical tape, and put on your shirt or pajamas. Apply it a few hours before bedtime in children, and take it off before going to bed. Also, apply a small amount of the paste on the arm of the child and see if it causes any allergic reactions before you apply the wrap. Adults can leave the wraps overnight. Note that honey has a warming effect, so sweating is a typical symptom of these wraps. You will experience relief even after the first treatment.